Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Polkadot. All right. So if I check, the longer game, if you want. So we did a wave one, we did a wave two. Now the problem I have with this third wave is that, yeah, unfortunately, it didn't go high, right? It should have gone to the 1.618. Now it could be a diagonal, but also I did notice that if I take the length of the wave one and add it to the wave two, then we're almost making a 1-to-1 ratio. So it wouldn't be impossible that when it's happening like that, the wave one and wave three are about the same length, the fifth wave is going to extend and be the biggest one. So now I'm checking that. So this is why I'm doing this. Like, this could be just not the fifth wave indeed, but just the extension. It would be just the wave one, and this would be the wave two. So if that is the case, as you can see, I did the fib retracement, and we're looking good. We're kind of really, flirting with the 0.5. And worst case scenario, we're going to go to the 0.618. I'm saying worst case scenario, but that would be the best scenario. And once again, here it's the level where it was the previous resistance of the third wave, right? So that's also, we have two indicators that confluence into the price action. Now, also, let me see, what is the blue line here? Yeah, that's the midterm uptrend line, the blue line, and that also could join the two other factors. So we have quite a lot of confluence converging on these levels here. So between $8 to round it up and $7.60. And also we have the MA 50 that it's kind of joining the party eventually. So that could, by the time that maybe this price action is not done yet, the MA 50 is going to go and get to near these levels. Now let's see some indicators. 4 hours, it's actually looking good. Oversold. 1 hour, also oversold. On daily, getting there. I honestly would give maybe a chance to maybe, let me see if I can move around here, to maybe go around and do something like that, and after that maybe price is going to go a little bit lower, and then it's going to be the ideal time maybe to jump in. For sure, this is not financial advice, but this is what I'm looking for. Also, if I go on the weekly and check for the longer picture, well, you can see that you know comparing with Avalanche or Solana, Polkadot didn't do much, right? So the big thing is still to come. It didn't explode yet. So this is why when I say we need to make a rotation of our capital investment, would I scale out from Solana and maybe start to scale into Polkadot? Definitely. Well, unfortunately, I didn't have that chance to scale in massively into Solana, but definitely Polkadot. I don't want to say a big player, but I do have quite of a bag of dots, and yeah, I wouldn't mind to scale back in a little bit more, this time in leverage, and just be part for the next ride. What's the potential now? Once again, we have so many coins, ICP and now DOT. Next target's about $18. So that's quite of a gain from the current price. So let's go and check it out. Now it's a little bit, yeah, let's see about. So we're talking about 120, 125% gain. Combine that with a small leverage, and just to not to be greedy. But yeah, it doesn't change the life, but it does change the portfolio and give you to chance to make other gain, and after that you cash in, take the profit, you make another rotation, because if this one actually indeed reach the $18, then for sure we're going to have a pullback. So take the profits. Some you put them on a side for bigger correction that's coming for sure. There will always be a correction. There will be always be a liquidation week, 20, 30, 40% down, and it's going to liquidate all the people that they are in leverage. And for us, if we're not too greedy and we predict those movements, then we can actually buy at the bottom of those weeks, of those liquidation weeks. And it doesn't change the life, right? But it does change substantially maybe our portfolio, because just by investing 5 or 10% at 5x, it's amazing. Just to go back at the price where it did the drop, we're already amazingly in profit. All right, so this is pretty much all for Polkadot for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.